What's up, I'm the 1B, and we're going to be doing some video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is for my Vulture mascot project that I did. This is part 2 of that, so it looks like we are, just need another folder here. Whoops. Vulture mascots, logo, creation, step 2. Mascots, logo, creation, step 2. Alright, so that's our file. Then we need to go into videos, and let me just check here. This is 423. 423. Maybe this one? 2347 23. 2347 23. Perfect. So we're going to drag this one down into our project. Let me just change this real quick so you can see kind of the project area a little bit. So now you see it down here. And then let's go into this one. And what do I want right here? We want to get my YouTube end screen, which is up here, and drag that down into the project. Okay, so then the next thing, we're going to drag it into the timeline. Drag the video that we're editing. So this is pretty long, so we're going to do a couple things to this one, a little different. First, let's go ahead and deal with these channels, all these extra channels. So let's go ahead and right click, unlink, and then this channel here is a mix of these 3 channels, so we don't need that one. And then this is system audio, but because this is a Photoshop video, there's no system audio. Like if I was video editing, then there would be, some audio from the video, so we don't need this. Or if it's a video game, right? And then this is Discord audio. I'm not talking to anybody in this video, so you can go ahead and remove that. At the very beginning, there is some chatter. This is me. This is my audio right here. And so we don't need, so now what we need to do is we might as well go up here and turn up my audio. And we do that because I would rather you have to turn me down than have to not be able to turn me up, right? Because if I'm too quiet and you can't turn me up anymore, then that's a problem. So turning me down is better than not being able to turn me up. Next, we are going to relink these. Right click, make sure you select both of them. Click one, shift, hold shift anyway, and then select the other, and then you can right click and link. And then we're going to right click in this general area here. You can on any of these spaces. And we are going to delete tracks, and it's going to go this delete video tracks, all empty tracks. So it's going to get rid of video track 2, video 3 track, whatever. And then same thing with the audio tracks. It's going to get rid of audio 1, audio 2, audio 3 tracks. See, now we're all compressed there, or confined, compact maybe, whatever word we want to use here. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag the YouTube end screen in, and we're going to just kind of zoom into that a little bit. Go to before it, select it. I was working and watching a YouTube video, so at the end of this, there's a little bit of that. So we want to make sure and turn up the audio on this one, and then we're going to be cutting the end of this out. But first, let's cut the beginning. What's up, everybody? So you could tell right here, right? So we're going to hit Control K, hold that, and then we're going to hold Shift and Delete. Make sure that this part is selected. The part that you want to get rid of, Shift Delete, and then that pulls everything forward. And then I think right about here, watching this, and yeah, hopefully it shows you kind of some of my process. Thanks for watching. Some of my process. Thanks for watching. So right about here, we're going to Control K again, because there's some, like me trying to figure out where the camera needs to get removed. Do 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 do. Find the right one. All right. And then I think at this point we are muted. So we're just gonna go a little bit further ahead here. Wrapped up. Stuff out of my way. I'm gonna go ahead and just mute my microphone from here on out, and probably my system audio. So. Yep, so I start working on it here. You'll see the mouse come on. Okay, right there. Sorry, that was a little dead air there. We're going to go ahead and shift delete that. And now we have this huge chunk here. Let's just go to the end of it real quick. So right here, we're going to hit Control K again, and we're going to select this back piece, Shift Delete. So now we have about looks like about a 1 hour video, but we're going to select this one, and we're going to right click, and we want to adjust the speed and duration of this. And let's cut it in half. That's still going to be 30 minutes. Let's just try, let's see what 500 brings it down to 12 minutes. Okay. Let's go ahead and select this. Move it forward. That's going to give us about a 15-20 minute video. Let's just kind of look at how that looks. So, thanks for watching this, and yeah, hopefully it shows you kind of some of my process. Thanks for watching. Alright, this is good. I'm actually here sitting here watching it. Didn't realize that I was just... So I think we're good. I think the speed is okay. It's going to get through it, and I think that's for the most of it. We'll just save, and then we're going to export. Control M. And then let's go back to here. We want to go to step 2. Ultra mascot. Logo creation. Version 1. This is step 2. And save. And then you could typically hit export if you want Premiere to do your exporting. I like Adobe Media Encoder. I've had issues with Adobe Premiere exporting desynced audio and maybe the quality being a little low. So I just prefer using the Adobe Media Encoder. I've had luck ever since I've switched of it. Basically, there's a few times where XML data has been lost, but I usually just re-render and it's good to go. I haven't tried Premiere Pro rendering in a long time, so it could be better. Like I said, I use Adobe Media Encoder. So typically, then you're going to have these. You can change your settings if you need to. I don't need to. We already renamed it, and then this is where you start it, and it'll basically start encoding and rendering. Yeah. So that's going to take me 10 to 30 minutes. Recently, they have maybe made some adjustments to where it's faster. I need to render out more video in order to let you know if that's the case. But yeah, so the times are going to be different, obviously, for every video and for every system. So take my times, the 10 to 30 minute mark, with a grain of salt, because that's my system and the videos that I'm editing. So and the quality I'm editing them at. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and while I render this, hopefully you'll go and watch one of my other videos, and I will talk to everybody later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.